This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about language. What languages do you speak?
My mother tongue is Italian, and I also speak English. I learned English in school, and I love reading English novels and listening to English songs. I'm also learning Chinese on my own because I want to visit China later.
Is learning a new language difficult for you?
It can be challenging, especially remembering grammar rules and vocabulary. But with practice and using apps like Duolingo, it becomes easier over time.
Do you think it's important to know more than one language?
Yes, knowing more languages can help you connect with people and understand different cultures. It's also useful for traveling and can even open up job opportunities.
How do you learn a foreign language?
I learn a foreign language by practicing speaking, listening, reading, and writing regularly. I also use language apps, watch movies, and try to communicate with native speakers to improve my skills.
When did you learn English first at school?
I first learned English in primary school, around the age of 6. It was part of our regular curriculum, and we began with the alphabet and basic vocabulary. I still remember learning the alphabet through a song.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a water sport you would like to try in the future. You should say, what is it? Where you will do it? Whether it is easy or difficult? And why would you like to try it?
One water sport I'd love to try is scuba diving. It's a sport where you dive deep into the water with special equipment like an oxygen tank and a mask to explore underwater life. The idea of swimming alongside fish and coral reefs feels like entering another world. I'd like to try this at the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. It's a dream destination for anyone who loves nature and adventure. I think scuba diving is both exciting and challenging. It requires proper training to learn how to use the equipment and stay safe underwater. You need to know how to control your breathing and remain calm in deep water. It might seem tough at first, but seeing amazing marine life and underwater views makes it worth it. For instance, I'd love to see sea turtles, clownfish, and even small sharks up close in their natural habitat. One reason I want to try scuba diving is my fascination with the ocean. I've always been curious about the underwater world. Watching documentaries about marine life also makes me want to experience it in real life. It's incredible to think about all the life and colors under the water. Scuba diving would give me a chance to connect with nature in a way I've never done before. Overall, scuba diving seems like the perfect mix of adventure, learning, and relaxation. It's not just about exploring the ocean, but also about overcoming personal challenges and creating unforgettable memories. I believe it would be an incredible experience that I'd treasure for years to come.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of water sports. What are the most popular water sports in your country?
In my country, swimming is very common. Sports like surfing and kayaking are also popular, especially in coastal areas. People enjoy them during holidays and summer vacations. For example, Goa is a top destination for water sports enthusiasts. Many families also enjoy boating on weekends, as it's a relaxing way to spend time together.
Why do some people enjoy water sports more than others?
Some people enjoy water sports more because they find them thrilling and refreshing. Others might not like them due to fear of water or a lack of swimming skills. For example, adventurous individuals often enjoy sports like surfing, while cautious people might prefer staying on land where they feel safer.
Do you think water sports are safe?
They can be safe if proper precautions are taken. Wearing safety gear, following instructions, and checking the weather can help prevent accidents. But there are still risks like strong currents or bad equipment. Taking a safety class before trying a sport can really lower these risks.
How can water sports benefit people's health?
Water sports improve fitness and build strength. Activities like swimming or paddleboarding also reduce stress and make people feel more relaxed and refreshed. For instance, regular swimming can improve heart health and muscle tone. Many people also find that being in water is therapeutic, helping with joint pain or injuries.
Do you think schools should teach water sports?
Yes, schools should introduce water sports. Learning basic swimming and safety skills is also important as it can help prevent accidents. For example, teaching children how to stay calm and float in water can save lives. It also gives them an opportunity to discover new hobbies they may enjoy later in life.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.